Good morning, madam. My name is Dennis Paulraj. My metric number is 01DD19F2019. So today I'm going to present about the problem-based task 2, which is first will be as DBA log into SQL plus as sys. So check and display the current database, display and information about the current table and Oracle database, return in statement and show the output. So as you can see here, we plug in a CSSDBA and enter the password. After that, we need to select name from $. Database. So now we can see the ORCPDB. Then we need to select all from a global name. So we can then we need to set page size on 50 column and unknown set option column. Set page size 150, which is a column table space name is formatted 830. After that, we need to column file name format 830. Select this table space name underscore name and file underscore name. Its bytes is 1024/1024 MB from DB data files. So which means can see the table space name under the command there. The next will be select name file and status from $data file. So which we need to command select name file status from data file. Then we can see all the data file has been files been shown in the status. So after that we need to alter session set container, which is all CPDB. Select name open mode from $PDBs. Alter pluggable database open. Select name open mode from $PDBs. So as you can see, we already altered session set container or CPDB. It shows session altered. Then we need to select name open mode from $PDBs. Then it shows open mode. So OSCPDB read write. So after that, we need to create user, check as Scott identified by Scott SQL as and connect to Scott. So we need to create user. So it shows user created, then grant all privilege to Scott and grant the all the privileges has been granted for Scott. So then we need to connect to Scott. Then we need to user create Scott and grant all the privileges to it. Then log into the SQL Scott. Then it will show connect. After that, we need to add Scott schema in your pluggable database or CPDB SDBA. So we need to command the SO PDBs. So it will show the connected ID and SPDB suite or SPDB smooth and distributed, which is so then we need to alter session set container or CPDB and it shows alt session altered. Then we need to show user uses Scott. Then we need to install or unlock Scott schema that we can find DB home or location, the instruction and how to install unlock a Scott schema. So we need to see PDB home advanced admin and we can see the Scott there. Then we need to change Scott to Scott in Scott.sql and save as Scott. So we already can see the you alter use the Scott and Scott to so you can see here that is file that will be changed. So that's all from me, madam. Next, Renish will continue.
Hello, my name is Vinicius. My ID number is 1001 DDT19F2 103. We want to see the next step is display all user objects in Scott schema. Identify the schema object. For start the step, we want to type the command in SQL plus is type add and paste the locations of the scott.sql file location is in the DBO RDBS admin and scott.sql the command. After that type the command select username from all users we can see the users like show in the image here, usernames. And to see the current user in the SQL plus, type the comment show user. So in the image they show is the user is C ## Scott. After that, create table in Scott, tab EMP bonus cell grade. So we create the table temp, create table EMP, create table bonus, and create table cell grade. For create table temp, we type the comment depth no number 2 constant pk underscore depth primary key, dname varchar 2 in bracket 14 log varchar 2 13, the table created. While we create table emp no number for constant pk underscore emp primary key, ename varchar 10 job varchar uh, 29 mgr number for hire date sale number 7 comma 2 com number 7 comma 2 dep no number 2 constant fk underscore dep no difference dep in bracket and semicolon the table created. We create table bonus. Next we create the table bonus. We create table bonus with the ename varchar 2 in bracket 10 job varchar 2 in is 9 sale number and com number and the table created. We create the table cell grade with a grade number, Lawson number, and ESAL number. We'll create the four type table. After that, insert values to table. Insert values to table. To create the table, we insert values like this. We can see the image. As the image show, we insert the table in the depth table, bonus, EMP tables, and cell grade tables. After that, we in SQL plus we type the comment select from tab, so we can see the table name. Table name is depth table, EMP table, bonus table. The created table is we can see the table created table names here, and the cell grade tables also we can see here. Next, we type the comment select from EMP. We can see the details of EMP details here, like EMP name, the job details, in the MGR. Like example, the debno is 736920 749930 752130. E-name is Smith Allen Watt. Job clerk, salesman, MGRs 7902. Date is 17 December 80. Cell is 800. And next in the next table also we can see the dep known is 756620. Name is John's manager 783902 April 2 April 81. Sale is 2979. So in the other tables, so we can see the details of the EMP table like this. And we type the comment select object underscore name or object underscore type from user underscore objects. So we can see the object types like depth table, pk depth table, index, emp table, and object name. Also we can see the pkp emp index, bonus table, selected table, 6 rows are selected. And using argument tools, create the multi-section backup of data image copies. Okay, to using argument tools, create a multi-section backup of database as image copies. We must type the comment backup is copy section size 500 M database. So we can see the starting backup at 26 December 21 using channel Aura disk 1. So the input and output we can see as shown in the image here like this, like number 1, number 4, number 7 files details. Here we can see as the image show here. list armament backups and copies. To show the armament backups and copies, type list backup of database semicolon, so we can get the information of the backup sets like this bs4 and the backup set 5, backup set 6. The type is full, types also full. We can see the backup set size is 1. Number backup set number 4 size is 1.56G. Backup set 5 is size 465.99 M. Size of backup set 6 is 469.04 M. Device is 3 also disks, and the elapsed time is, you can see here, and the complete time is 26 December 21. And other details we can see in the list of backup sets. And the file is 568, type full, CKP is 19723299, and the CKP time is 30 November 21. Space is no, and the name is we can see the locations name here. Next, display shows summary of all armament backups. So to get the armament backups, summary of armament backups, we type the command report schema, report of database schema for database with db unique name over its here. This list of permanent data files we can see here. List of permanent data file. The file is 15 files show here in the with the difference size, and with the table space name we can see here. For example, system, syshouse, Windows TBS1, PDB system, and etc. The RB sex is different, same. Yes, no, and the data file name also we can see here as show in the image. List of temporary files is file 1, 2, 3. Size size of number 1 file is 132. Size of file number 2 is 36. Size of file number 3 is 128. Table space is a temp for file number 1. PDB temp for file number 2. OSCL PDB temp for file number 3. Max size is 3000. The temp file name is, we can see here like this. Finally, list backup all files in database. For that, we type the command backup database. So as usually, starting backup at 26 and dash 21 using target database control file instead of recovery catalog. So allocated channel is Aura disk 1. We can see the input data files and the channels Aura disks here. And the other details also we can see here of the backup of all files in database. So that's all from Ms. Madam. Thank you.